Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, I always mention Microsoft Excel series. That means I will cover up not only just Microsoft Excel, but I will also cover up Microsoft Office packages in this channel. And today we are going to learn how to count total characters in a cell with a formula in Microsoft Excel. Friends, stay with this channel. I will soon going to show you how to use the Excel VBA, and I will make videos on Microsoft Excel VBA series. To learn about this formula, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. So friends, I have already created a file previously to save time. Let's open that file. Here it is. Suppose you have a text or any numerical, alphabetical, any text in a cell or cell range, and you want to count these, that how many characters are there in that cell. You can use this formula. If you need to count the total characters in a cell, you can do so using the len, that means the length function. In this generic form of the formula will be like this. Look at here carefully friends. Formula will be equals to len, that means the length. Look at here, the description returns the number of characters in a text string. Then open the first bracket, then select that cell range, or you can type the text here. In my case I am selecting the text, then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. Look at here, in this case A and N, there are two characters and it is showing 2. And if you copy the formula from upside down, the formula will show you the accurate result. And note carefully friends, if you give a space, only space, it will also count that space, right? So let's check how this formula actually works. The len, that means the length function, simply counts all characters that appear in a cell. All characters are counted including space characters. Numbers are also counted in their raw form, right? So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I will make the second part of this video. There I will show something more interesting like this. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends who wants to learn advanced Excel from the beginning level. Share your opinion as well as your query in the comment section. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.